Hi, kindergarten. It is so exciting because today you have mastered your numbers from 1 to 10. Now that you know those numbers, we're going to use them. And we're using them with 3 special vocabulary words today. Our 3 words today are greater. Greater is like saying more. Our next important vocabulary word for today is less. Less is like saying fewer. So we have greater and less. And the other important one is equal. Equal is like saying the same. We're going to use the words greater, less, and equal today as we compare our numbers. Let's start with these. Sometimes when you compare two groups, it's easy to see which one is greater and which one is less. Like if you look here, which one is greater, yellow or purple? It's pretty easy to see that there is a greater number of yellows. Let's lay them out here so we can count them. I'm going to make lots of banging noises. Sorry, it's so loud. There's a lot of them. And here are the purples. Almost got them. There we go. Whew. So let's count our yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then one that doesn't even fit, 8. We have 8. If we turn them this way, will it make it fit better? There we go. Now we can fit them all. We have 8 yellows. Let's look at our purples. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are less purples. So I'm going to take my words and we're going to use this. 8 is greater than 4. 4 is less than 8. So let's turn this around. I have some more. I have orange and green. So which one is more? Let's take a look and see what we can figure out. Which one is greater? Can you tell? Is the orange greater? No. Is the green greater? No. Okay, so you can't figure out the greater. Let's try less. Which one shows less? Is the orange less? No? Is the green less? No. Oh, they're the same. When two are the same, when both groups are the same, we call that equal. Let's count our groups. Orange has 1, 2. Green has 1, 2. 2 is equal to 2. They are equal. Awesome. Okay. Well, now we've compared these magnets. Let's keep comparing. I might want to use equal again, maybe, or less, or greater. So let's draw from these magnets and see what numbers I get. Ooh, I got the number 6, and I got the number 8. Which number is less? 6 is less than 8. Which number is greater? 8 is greater than 6. Are the numbers equal? No, they are not. Let's draw again. See what I get this time. I got 2. I got 1. Whoa, those numbers are very close. Which number is greater? 2 or 1? 2. 2 is greater than 1. Which number is less? 1 is less than 2. Good job. Okay, let's draw again. I'll put these in, mix them up. I got the number 5. Let's mix these up and draw another one. Ooh, I got the number 5. Okay, which number is greater? Okay. Which number is less? Oops. Neither one? Oh, so are the numbers equal? Yes, equal means they are the same. 5 is equal to 5. Very good. Awesome. You are getting the hang of it. Now let's try another way to look at this. I want to look at some numbers on a 10 frame. So one more example. Ooh, I have this 10 frame here, and it looks like I have some dots up here. How many dots is that? When I look at my 10 frame, I see that it doesn't fill quite a top line. So it must be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Awesome. Okay, now I'm going to look at the bottom line, or the middle 10 frame. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. See? 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So I have 4 and 9. Which number is greater? Here it is. The 9 is greater. To show that it's greater, I'm going to circle it. Which number is less? The 4. Let's stick this off to the side. The 4 is less. To show that, I'm going to put an X through it. Show that it is less. Wonderful. Now I have a project for you. And this is a project you can finish with your learning coach. And then when it's all done, you can share it with me on a discussion inside of Canvas. Okay. For this project, you will need some crayons, and you're going to need a piece of paper. You'll want a blank piece of paper that's white on both sides. You're going to fold the paper in half, and then you're going to draw some things. The first assignment is to find stuff that is equal. So I looked around my house to find how many bears I have. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 bears. So I drew my 4 bears. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, see how I folded the paper in half? Then on the other half of the paper, you're going to draw something else. So I went and tried to find something that I have 4 of, and I found my pigeon books. And I've only got 3 right here, because I apparently dropped one on the way here. But I have 1 more. So I've got 3 here, but I have 4 pigeon books in my house. So I drew my pigeon books. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4 is equal. So you're going to draw this and show me 2 things that are equal. Ta-da! Everybody's will look different because they will have different things in their house to show me. Maybe you'll show me cups and spoons. Maybe you'll show me hats and shoes. Maybe you'll show me tomatoes and color crayons. I don't know. Just find something that you have an equal amount of in your house. The other side of the paper is going to look kind of the same on one part for everybody and then different for another part. So I see 4 and 4 are equal. This side we're going to do greater and less. So what I did is I drew a picture of my family. I have a big family. So this is me, Mrs. Luce, and this is Mr. Luce. And then I have 5 kids. I have my oldest daughter, my oldest son, my middle son, my youngest daughter, and my baby son. So I have 5 kids plus 2 grown-ups, That makes 7. I have 7 people in my family. I want you to draw Mrs. Luce's family. You're going to draw 7 people. And then you're going to draw your family. And then, so you'll have my family and your family, and then we're going to compare to see who has more people in their family. So then you can write the word less on your side because maybe you have 2 people in your family, and then greater on my side because I have more. Or maybe your family has 6 kids and 2 grown-ups. And so you have greater, and then you'll write less on this side. Or maybe your family is greater because you have 3 dogs and 2 cats and a dad and a mom and you. That's a big family, right? 3 dogs, 2 cats, mom, dad, and you. That would be 8. 8 is greater than 7. So I don't know how many people are in your family, but you can show me with a picture. And if you want to include pets with your people, that's good. That's fine. You can pick to include pets or not. That's up to you. So you'll show me Mrs. Luce's family and your family, and show me which one is greater and which one is less. You can share your picture of the equal thing and the greater and less in a discussion on Canvas. And you know what? It is possible that your family has the same number as my family, so maybe it won't be greater and less. It'll just be equal. That would be funny. Well, I will see you soon. I hope you have fun doing this little math art project, and I can't wait to see what you create.